Allen said that 80% success is in showing up. 80%. जिंदगी में आप कामयाब होंगे जब आप जहां जिस वक्त पे आपको शो अप का मतलब है आपका कमिटमेंट. When you commit that you are going to be here 7:29, so you are 7:29 here today. And there are around 35 people showed up today. I want to congratulate them for being committed. And definitely you are the people who are going to be part of the Billionaires Club, the big B club. There is a 1% population of the world controls the 99% wealth. And majorly the reason is they are committed. I read a lot about them and I see that they are people who are committed in life. Whatever they say, they do, they walk the talk. And I want to once again congratulate you that you are definitely in that 1%, part of that, small part of that 1% today sitting here. So starting that habits of those billionaires and millionaires and their, what are the success? But I've been reading a lot about them. I myself was born in Ulhasnagar in Maharashtra in a refugee camp. From there to a hugely successful IPO and presidential award, and now building up Tajurba with all the successes, failures in the life. So I've learned certain habits and certain mindset. But number one thing is that they have a mindset of multimillionaire. Tony Robbins says, whatever you give energy to expand, if you give energy every day, that corona ho gaya, pandemic ho gaya, problem ho gaya, economy is bad, GST aa gaya, demonetization ho gaya. If we give energy to all that, it will expand. If we give energy to whatever we want in life, that expands. So first of all, to work on mindset. To have that mindset, feel inside that you are a multimillionaire. When I was struggling, I would save small amounts and go and eat at the 5-star hotel, travel by air, all those things I used to do with that small savings to get that feel. Read those magazines like Robb Report where they show the super luxury houses and the super luxury cars. This is your birthright. They have a great faith in their unconscious mind because your unconscious mind is your genie. That gets you things in the life. You attract. Like I attracted a health coach in my life. My health is very good. I attracted all of you awesome people in my life. Tajurba is, up and running in Mumbai without being present there. So this is all law of attraction working. So have faith in your subconscious. And they have total clarity. There's no confusion there. That 1 crore target is total clarity. There's no confusion. Parag Bhai was saying, I salute your commitment that you are going to be present in every meeting of Tajurba. Yes, that's the commitment. Because the clarity is there. If I had slightest doubt, ये नहीं होगा, मैं काहे को करूँगा यार? वो feel नहीं आएगा, वो energy नहीं आएगा if you don't have that clarity. They read. I have 1,000 books right now. Shailendra had been to my office. Sometimes he takes 1 or 2 books from me also. 1,000 because I don't have space now, so I have started buying Kindle books. Another 500 in the Kindle. You suggest a book, I'll buy right now whenever I get time. And I'll read 1 chapter every night before going to bed. Warren Buffett reads 500 pages every night. My schooling was in, Sindhi and the comment of the government schools. But because of the books, today you see I'm talking here in front of you. It's just because of the book. And I'm giving you another very good habit. Take a note, everyone. It's IPAs and IRAs. Every day at night in your diary, note down every hour what you did. Whether you spend that time to produce some income or you spend that time to reduce your income. Now, unnecessary browsing on Facebook is IRA. Is that attending Tajurba meeting today is IPA or IRA? Type in the comment box. Attending this meeting today is a IPA or IRA. Is it income producing activity or IRA? Absolutely. Everyone is saying IPA. You'll be shocked when you write your journal every day evening and you see how much time you have wasted in just gossip or talking on the phone or unnecessary in your working hours. talking to friends. Yes, talk to friends, talk on Sundays. Talk at night, talk in the morning. Allocated time should be to that gupshup you want. Definitely you want that gupshup too. So be very mindful. Every day you are doing the activities are IPAs or IRAs. Another quality and habit of super successful people and the multi-millionaire is they give more than they take. You are at a networking platform. I can't explain you. You know already. You always give more than you get. And you get always more than you give. This is not my law or any networking law. This is a universal law. It all starts to come back to you many, many fold. Tony Robbins says if you can't give $1 if you are earning $1,000, you will never be able to give even $100 when you are earning billions of dollars. So that giving attitude, helping others without expecting anything, goes a long way. Next is multiple source of passive income. Your interest, dividend, royalties. Parag Bhai was saying he's writing 12 books. This is going to add to all that passive income. Dividend incomes, interest incomes, rental incomes. They are addicted to passive income. Build multiple streams of passive income. Work if you want to, not because you have to. Everyone type in the comment box. Work if you want to, not because you have to. Don't get up to pay those bills. Credit card ka bill bharna hai, ye bharna hai, wo bharna hai, gaadi ka qist bharna hai, makan ka EMI. Wake up to do something amazing with your day and life. Whatever you love to do. If you want to work, it's okay. Not because of the money. There's a saying that in the rat race, no matter how fast you run, you still remain a rat. No matter how fast you run, you still remain a rat. Always have a budget. You should have a very, very clear defined budget, that 5% for charity, 10% for this, 10% for vacations, 10% for this. Even if you want to help, then you should always help people with the money. मेरा एक दोस्त होता था, बोलता था तन की सेवा करा लो, मन की सेवा करा लो, बाप धन की सेवा मत बोलना. अरे धन की सेवा हम नहीं करेंगे, कौन करेगा यार? दोस्तों की भी मदद करनी है, समाज की भी मदद करनी है, पर from that 5% or 10% you keep away from charity, not for the money which you have saved for your family or for investment or for any other purpose. Create funds for different things, and the budgeting is a very important part of your financial management, a good financial management. And they understand all the tax implications. They are very knowledgeable. These companies, Amazon and all, they pay very, very less tax. The reason is their head office are always in tax havens. So they upgrade their knowledge to having all the tax information that legally and legitimately, how can they save? Next thing, they work being debt-free. Infosys, all those best companies, you'll see they are debt-free companies. There are thousands of crores of rupees in their balance sheet as surplus, cash reserves. Set goals, daily goals, weekly goals. We have done this wonderful exercise. 45 people are working on their 90 days goal. Never happened in the coaching and training industry before. OKRs, objective key results. Google, IBM, Walmart, they've been doing it. It is first time I'm introducing this to the SMEs. Group of 45 people of platinum members are attempting this. See the Josh. Every day they are recording itne lakh ka order hua. Pragnesh Bhai is part of that group. Yes, Pragnesh Bhai? Pragnesh Bhai?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am part of that.
Yes, already people are so much energy there. Suraj Bode from Goa already achieved 14 lakh order yesterday. So charged up. Have goals. Without goals, if a ship sails without a destination in mind, it's going to crash definitely. But if captain knows the destination, 99.99% you're going to get there. If I know that how to get to Mumbai, whether I'm coming from the flight or the train or the road or by the car or walking, whatever way. But if I know the way correctly, I'll get there. Maybe in 2 hours or maybe in 2 months, but I will get there. So having goals is very, very important. Show up, don't show off. We still drive Camry hybrid. It saves so much money. One of my young friends, he drives Audi. I have nothing against them, but he was, cribbing that 5 lakh rupees estimate the workshop has given him. These fancy cars, they cost a lot. Bomb. Unnecessary. Camry hybrid is a very, very luxury car. All the features of high-end cars are there. but it runs on battery, saves so much on petrol. Toyota maintenance, everyone knows, 10,000 rupees in 6 months. That's it. And they own or buy the business. Robert Kiyosaki is 4 quadrants. Employee, self-employed, business owner and investor. So you got to be, as a billionaire and multi-millionaire, have an investment mindset. That you are buying companies or your own companies get. That's why I always have at very young age our company got listed at Mumbai Stock Exchange. We asked for 1.25 crore, ended up getting 300 crores those days. Get out of that Lala mindset. As a Lala, you have only right to your profit. That too goes away when someone young person comes up 1,000 crore investment and disrupt your business. Once you are listed, you have valuation, you have chance to exit and sell your business, have your hundreds and thousands of crores, and get out of this rat race. Avoid quick get rich schemes. ये फटाफट पैसा बनेगा. There is no फटाफट. Networking is not फटाफट. Business is not फटाफट. We all know, we all are entrepreneurs. जिंदगी लग जाती दोस्तों. We give it all. We give our time, our health, everything to the business to make it successful. There's nothing get rich quick scheme. It requires your efforts, your hard work, and have a great life vision. Make your passion your profession. Do what you love if you can find that. I have found that training and coaching is my passion. That's why you can see so much of energy. Every day I get thousands of messages. Sir, ye energy kahan se laate? Because I love that. Or, whatever you are doing, start loving that. That being on diet, maintaining this weight, doing exercise every day is no fun. मेरा भी मन करता है पार्टी करूं यार, बियर पीऊं रोज. But I'm loving this health, that fitness, zero dependence on any medication, that dream of living 100 plus years. They always have focus on solutions. कितना भी बड़ा प्रॉब्लम आ जाए देख लेंगे उसको. सॉल्यूशन क्या है? दिमाग हमेशा सोचता है सॉल्यूशन क्या है. Solution centric approach and growth focus. Next level, next 90 days. See these people who are attended this OKR, their life is going to change by 15th of February. Many of them will not achieve goals, but that is okay. They have attempted something big. They have dreamt of going 3x in 90 days, doubling their revenue in 90 days. My dad used to say, beginning is half done. सोच लिया हो गया, first your mind believes हो जाता है दोस्त. ये पूरी कायनात शिद्दत करती है, पूरी कायनात क्या बोलते हैं, conspires to bring that target to you. And always have a coach. गुरु बिना गति नहीं है दोस्त. I have coach. Tony Robbins have 6 coaches. And be coachable too. Most dangerous word in English language is I know everything. The most dangerous word. That's the end of the life. When you think I know everything. That's a very dangerous mindset to have. Learn from everyone you come across. I learn from all of you. I always come with the mindset you all sitting here are much more brilliant than me. I have so much to learn from you guys. And the health is your real wealth. You're a millionaire or billionaire. Doesn't matter if you lost your health. I know some people in my family. The wealth is totally useless for them. They lost their totally health. So pay attention to your health. Always have a right nutritious diet. Get in touch with some nutrition in your network or at Tajurba network. Have 8 hours sleep. Do some meditation. Oprah Winfrey had set up 21 days meditation with Deepak Chopra. Do meditation. Uma ji अपना वीडियो फिर से लगाओ. Link. Wonderful meditation. 5 minutes every morning and every night before you go to bed. 30 days your life will change. It's a creative visualization to manifest money and all the success in life. And last but not the least, these multi-millionaires or billionaires, they practice discipline. Like in the beginning, I started this talk with showing up. That's part of discipline. They follow certain routine. ये time उठना है, ये time सोना है, ये commitment है, इधर attend करना है, इसको मिलना है, इसको call back करना है. These are all part of your discipline. People say I'm busy. अरे कैसा busy यार, तुमने 3 दिन से जवाब नहीं दिया. I guarantee, I challenge that कोई मेरे से ज्यादा बिजी होके दिखा दे आज. But if I have to attend this meeting, I have to attend. I have to deliver this talk, prepare, I have to prepare. If I have to read every day, read. I have to exercise, I have to exercise. This is part of discipline and routine. That's what brings consistency. So everyone type in the comment box, I have a billionaire mindset. And thank you very much for being, rather keep your hand on your heart and say, I have a billionaire mindset.